Okay, traders. So I want to share something very quick here. It is just an update on market outlook on gold, and specifically it is just for today and tomorrow, and probably on the weekend I will share the overall direction for the coming week. So basically this is an update in relation to what I shared on the weekend, and mainly I'm just in daily time frame, so I'm looking on what is happening within those days of this week. So basically, as I shared on the weekend, that our price is going to open with the sell momentum. So it started with that thing, it was selling, but I had a certain trend line there, and I said that if the price is going to break this trend line and retest it, so basically we see a very powerful sell to certain levels there, just not moving beyond this previous swing low there, but it's just a powerful sell within this previous swing low. So I was looking for that, and mainly price moved to that trend line and it rejected. It was not successfully broken that trend line. So not breaking that trend line is a very significant indicator that price is going to be up. It's going to build a bullish momentum, and therefore looking at those recent candles there, they indicate that we have a bullish momentum, specifically having this. Now this bullish candle there, and it was on Tuesday, this engulfed the Monday candle. So engulfing this in a bullish way indicates that we have a bullish momentum. The same thing happened yesterday, whereby we have this candle that had some powerful push to the downside, and then it rejected to the upside. And I think for subscribers yesterday I shared a sell signal, and it was in this push to the downside, so we sold it to certain levels. And if you remember, I had a very short targets, and this is because I knew that this push to the downside is just a correction, so we have a very long term move to the upside. So this push to the downside is just a counter trending. So I shared that. It was very short, and we hit the first and the second target. The third target didn't hit it, and everybody was notified to break even when the price reaches first target. So now this rejection from the downside is an indicator that we are building a bullish momentum. So having this, and then having a rejection from the upside, there's something which is going on around this level that I'm going to share it specifically in lower time frame. So moving to 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, what's going there is just to have this trend line that I said, then the price was rejected, it didn't broken it, and then as it is moving to the upside, now it has developed another trend line, the minor one, now this one. So this trend line has respected and also respected. So even now price is just moving around that trend line, so we expect that it may probably move and hit this trend line again, then moving to the upside in any way, or breaking it. But specifically the most likely thing that is likely to happen is now this price may reject this and hit this trend line and bounce to the upside, or from the current price it may straightforward break this and retest this level and move to the upside strongly. Now very strongly up to certain levels there. It may move to around 1871. Now we have this level 1871. So if the price is going to break and close above this level, so let us expect to see it around 1871 if it is going to break and close above, because it has been moving above, rejected to the upside, then moved above again, rejected to the downside now. So always we expect that once it's going to close above this level, it will be a very powerful move to the upside that's going to take us around those levels there. So what is important, you have maybe sometimes you can do anything else, maybe taking a very high risk thing, that is having buy stops around those areas. You can have something buy stops around 1860, buy stop around 1860, and then having your targets around 1871. So you can do that. Basically this is the most likely thing to happen. So this is just in the 4-hour time frame. So moving in 2-hour time frame, I think I have something to share there. Now in 2-hour time frames, we have the things there happening. now you'll find that we have this push to the upside, now trying to move beyond, but came back again. So now this happened today. Now price tried to push up and then came back again. So now once it's going to cross above, this will be a very powerful indicator of pushing up, or sometimes it may move to this trend line. So if it comes to this trend line, now this minor thing, so if it comes here, so we'll be looking for whether it's going to break this, retest, and maybe push. So if it will break this and push to the downside, so we'll be looking our targets to around maybe 1840. Now we'll be looking for the 1840 level. So once the price now reaches the 1840, so now we'll see what is next. But for now let's look for price to move above. And maybe sometimes if you are very busy, you can have some stop orders around 1860. Now you can have some buy stops around 1860, taking your targets around 1871, and having some stop losses around, now it's most likely to be you can put maybe in order to be very safe, now you can put around 1843 if you have enough capital. But if you don't have enough capital, you can put something around 1848. So that's how you are going to do with the gold now for today, and it is just for tomorrow. And then on the weekend I will share some updates. So thank you for your time. And actually I told my subscribers that I'm away now. I have traveled from my comfort area now, so I'm somewhere now doing some things now, trainings. So basically I have not yet concentrated with analysis and everything. So just I'm trying to share those things when it is possible, and when it's not possible, just I don't share those information. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you subscribe also, you can share these informations. And also if you have any comment or suggestion, you can write in the comment section. That's very important. So thank you.